So today, as you can see, my bees need more room. They're clustering at the front. There's not enough space in there, so I'm gonna have to get in there, move them over to a nice national box, which I've got ready. So I'll show that process now. See, they're clustering, they need more room. So I'll move them all over, similar to what I did with this one. Just move them over into a nice standard national brew box. So today I'm actually wearing my Asian hornet suit because my other suit's in the wash. So I just had to wear this one quick. Now I'll quickly sort these bees out. So what I'll do first is I'll move this to here and start building a new hive in its place, and then I'll start to build it all up and transfer it all over. So, got landing board. What I'll do now is I'll put this inside, just here. This is going to be heavy. Oh, I've got loads in there. Oh. Lots of wood lice. Don't really want the wood lice, do I? Here. New brew box on top. Oh come on, this smoke is doing my nutty. Why can't I just smoke away from me? It keeps, everywhere I go, it smokes on me. Right, we'll transfer these over one by one. Yeah, there's quite a lot of brood in here, isn't there? Probably. Oh, another queen cell, very ready one there as well, look. Right there. So they were about to swarm these lot. Leave that queen cell there until I see the queen. See if she's in there before I do anything about it. So she should be on here, unless I've missed her. Well, she has gone. Another queen cell. This one I'll break, this one's a little. I mean, see how many bees there are already. There's loads and loads and loads in here. Oh, the bees will sting me because I'm accidentally crushing their legs as they run around my finger. I thought I saw a queen cell. Yeah, there's one there. I'll knock that one off because I'll leave 2 in there. He's not on there. Just look how many are still in there. I'm about to light the smoker and there's a bee. Oh, there was a bee on there, it's gone. It's good. You're going to set fire to the poor little thing. Got a nice queen excluder. That one on next. Here's the honey super. Right, another ton of bees coming out. Oh. Thinking this will have to be extracted soon because it's nearly full up all this honey. There's still all that. I'll just put all this in. So they're all getting there. It's just that it's filling up nicely, look. There's still a load more in there. I'm hoping this will stop them from swarming. All those swarm cells in there. And there we are. Oh. I need a lid. I haven't got a lid. I've got an empty hive over there. I can just use that one again. So that's it, all done. Queen cells in there, no queen as I said before, so I'll just see how it all goes, take it from there. But they seem happier in their new box and hopefully they won't swarm.